So, do you love the look of fringe and you've been wondering how to make some super cute fringe keychains for yourself? Stay tuned, I'll show you how it's done. Welcome to Craft with Catherine. So, today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy and cute keychain, fringe keychains. So, these are great. You can use these to attach to your keys, or you can just attach them onto the side of your purse, or you can use them to decorate just about anything. So I've made these out of like a metallic flexible vinyl fabric. I got mine on Amazon. I'll put the link below, but I find they kind of go out of stock a lot, so it's definitely worth browsing through Etsy or just doing like a Google search. You can find lots of vinyl online. And so I created the pattern. It's for free, and you can find that on my blog. The link is in the description below. And if you've been enjoying any of the videos I've been putting out lately, make sure to subscribe. It really helps my channel. And well, let's get started. So for this project, you just need a few small items. So you need a sticky cutting mat, so make sure to wash it if there's any like leftovers. And then you're going to need some fabric, non-fraying. This is like metallic finished. It's sort of like the vinyl I usually use in my videos, but this one's a lot more pliable. And you want that so that the fringe has a nice movement to it. So you want something that's pliable. You may need some scissors. You're going to need a glue gun, and you're going to need a key ring of some sort. Here you can see that you can choose a few different styles. I have one with a carabiner and one that has like a smaller loop with a bigger loop. And that's about it. This project is really easy, and you can find a link to the materials in the description below. So the first step, so you just want to place your fabric and make sure that it's pressed down well. Just because there's so many fine lines, you don't want it shifting around. And now that your fabric is attached, now you can load it to your machine. You can download the free file from my blog. You can find the link below in the description, and after you've downloaded the file, then you just go to upload, go to upload images, go to browse, and then select the SVG file, click save, and here you can see the very first image is the file. So select it, then click insert images, and here you'll see the file. So the next step is important. You want to select all. Well, you actually don't have to select all, but you have to select at least the fringe here. But you can see it automatically selected all. It's just because the lines here will separate because they're not attached, they're just sort of sitting on top. So you want to select it, and then here you click attach, and then you go to make it, and here you can see it looks exactly the same. So I'm just going to go back to the canvas. So if I were to detach, then see it's going to line everything up left to right, and so you don't want that. So just select all and attach, and then go to make it. And so here you'll see that it's positioned in the corner, but if you want it to cut on a different part of the fabric, for example, if you have this part cut out, or your mat is wearing down in the corner and it's more sticky in the center, you can move it around. So I'm just going to leave it in the corner and then click continue. So from here you select heavy fabrics and then load the rotary tool, load your fabric, and then you just press the cut button and it will cut out the fringe. So here you can see the design cut out. So here is the little tag for the top strap, but if you wanted to not use that, you can actually just use the scraps. I find they cut to just the perfect size, so you could just cut those off as well. That's just an idea. So this is the band to go around the edge, and that's for the strap, and here's the fringe. So you can see why it's important to have a really sticky mat. So after you've used it even once, you want to wash it with soapy water and a sponge so that the fluff goes away. So here you can see it's cut out, and if it's not perfectly cut out, you could just go through it with some scissors. So here are the finished pieces. So the next step is just to turn this around, and now we're going to put a little bit of glue down, put this strap. You need to now attach it to the key ring. Now you want to attach it by putting the glue on like that. And now you just put the hot glue down. You have to work quickly, and you just want to roll it and make sure that you're keeping the edges straight. And you don't want to hold it by the hoop because the strap can detach. So now the next step is important. You want to leave this dry, and I was just rolling it a bit to give it a nice round shape so it doesn't have a flat side. So now leave it to dry till it's totally cool and you can feel that the glue is hard. So now that this is totally dried, now we're going to move on to the next step. So you just want to apply some glue, and you're just going to roll this up. And I'm just going to try and keep it totally straight and roll this up. Just kind of pulling away the extra glue as it sticks to my fingers so it doesn't make too much of a mess. And now I'm just going to leave this to dry, and when it's dry, then it's all done. So I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial and you're inspired to make some fun fringe keychains. So you can find the pattern on my website, the link's below, as well as a link to all the materials. And if you have been enjoying the videos I've been putting out, make sure to subscribe. It really helps my channel. And leave a comment below if you'd like to see me create anything in the future. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.